Larry's off-road recovery.
Larry helped me get unstuck, and I bought a Weldtec last time. What a great guy.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Got Mr. Action Van here helping us get out of a rut we got stuck in.
He got out of it, so.
This is a good video.
He needs to complete his 4x4 conversion.
Yeah, it's 3x3, right?
No, does the front move or not? Is the front connected? No.
No drive shaft.
But you're ready to go 4-wheel drive. Let's get the transfer case.
Per gallon.
Straighten out his wheel? Yeah.
Give it the beans. There you go. You got traction. Other one. Mine will. Yeah. Woo!
Yeah, buddy.
Larry's off-road recovery.
Larry helped me get unstuck, and I bought a Weldtec last time. What a great guy.
Honestly.
Yeah. He was like,
He'd still help you.
He still helped me. He didn't leave me there.
This is sick.
He hooked the toe strap onto me, man.
Let's get your boards out.
We didn't lose it. A lot of times these get lost.
Yeah, they get dug under.
Yep.
You're supposed
to add the string.
They had a strip, yeah.
This guy needs to hook up his 4-wheel drive.
Woo! Woo! Larry.
Alright, here's my 40 Econoline lifted. I dropped it off on Monday and picked it up Tuesday. I left it overnight at Full Tilt Offroad. They also own Action Van suspension, and they're the guys who designed the kit for this vehicle. So I figured they should install it.
I got this van on February 24th, 2020, and for almost a year now I've been talking about wanting to get a lift kit for this van. I had a lifted 1992 Ford Econoline with a 5.0 V8 Action Van suspension, and that thing was a lot of fun. It was really hard for me to let go of that van, but it was nickel and diming me. So I got this van, and this second go around I wanted the extended model with the V10. I wanted the power. This van has all the power that I want, and with the lift it's gonna be sweet. I can't wait. I'm set to get my lift kit installed on March 4th. I'm at Weldtec right now.